I strive to seek ultralight backpacking adventure. A giant and long venture needs more than courage and perseverance. Getting good rest and light pack are also crucial. FlexTail helps a lot. I appreciate that Zero Pump can quickly inflate my sleeping pads and build my sleep system in no time. Every morning is a new beginning, a new chance to continue the story of my adventure. Zero Pump always helps me deflate my sleeping bag, keeps me energized and ready to take on any challenge that lies ahead. Lightweight and reliable gear doesn't only increase my flexibility, but also boosts my confidence. Each step is my chance to grow from the wild challenge. I learned to shed those unnecessary burdens in order to explore the world more deeply. Every gram is vital. For me, lighter, and the lightest gear helps me reach the top. Over the past 8 years, I witnessed a profound transformation. Not only the gears of FlexTail, but also my entire outdoor life. Gone are the days of exertion and exhaustion. In return, ease and confidence took root. FlexTail paves the way for lightweight and breakthroughs. It allows me to immerse every second in the great outdoors to push my limits. This time, I reach the peak with my Zero Pump.
Hey Mike, before the upcoming negotiation, let's go over some key details. I've got Todd on this call too. Here's what we need to bear in mind.
We've all had those moments when an important call just catches us off guard. But how does Todd manage this, you might ask? Introducing PlodNote, a ChatGPT-empowered AI voice recorder for note-taking. PlodNote is a revolutionary device that easily records meetings, iPhone calls, and beyond. It instantly transcribes recordings into time-coded text and even summarizes your transcription and makes mind maps for you in no time. Sometimes notes poorly taken in a rush can get us in a pickle. But luckily, Todd recorded the entire call, thanks to PlodNote. The recording has been auto-synced to the free-to-use app, where ChatGPT precisely transcribes and summarizes crucial information. In certain scenarios, this could make or break. The processing is super quick. You'd usually have it ready in minutes. PlodNote's 0.117-inch slim body is loaded with advanced technology. The air conduction sensor picks up surrounding sounds, while the vibration conduction sensor picks up internal microphone sounds. When combined with advanced AI noise-canceling algorithms, you'll always get premium recordings that result in spot-on transcription. What's more, it easily snaps to your phone with the included MagSafe case, making it the easiest gadget to use on the go. PlodNote is also not just limited to business use. Anyone who needs to record lectures, interviews, phone calls, or any random inspiration will find it a tremendous boost to their productivity. Get PlodNote, achieve and applaud yourself for taking your career and life to a whole new level.
Hi, we're TripLab, and this is the Carry One backpack. A 44-liter backpack built with curious travelers in mind. This pack is ideal for a long weekend trip or an adventure-filled weekend. The Carry One has a suitcase-style opening and a PU-coated fabric. The innovative detachable design allows you to combine your day pack and carry-on pack into one. Carry-on compatible and extra durable. On the inside, you'll find intuitive organization. If you're on the go and need to head out quickly, just grab the day pack. It has enough room for your phone, wallet, water bottle, jacket, or essentials. And if you detach the day pack, no worries. The DuoFlex divider lets you zip up the backpack base for privacy. At 44 liters, we've got more than enough room to bring everything you might need for your trip while staying within the carry-on bag size. If you pack your phone and essentials outside of the backpack before leaving home, they will stay with you in the day pack once you detach it. You are ready to go. The compression straps double as luggage straps. Prop your bag on your stroller, now you're hands-free and ready to roll. This bag also features a handy water bottle pocket for all-day hydration, an anti-theft strap to secure your bag to fixed furniture, all-weather, easy-to-clean surfaces, a hidden pocket to stow your passport, mobile phone, and valuables, ergonomic shoulder straps with easy-access card pouch, a cushioned sleeve for a 15-inch laptop, and a Fidlock magnetic buckle on the day pack for added security. The Carry One is made by travelers for travelers and could be yours for just the luggage fee on a round-trip flight. Practical, functional, and hassle-free. This carry-on backpack can fit up to a week's worth of clothes, depending on your wardrobe and packing skills. Compact enough to check in, with configurable storage and thoughtful organization. Perfect for fuss-free travel, whether on long weekends or a getaway abroad. Join our fans, back our goal, support our campaign. Take the TripLab Carry-On Backpack live. Thank you for your support.
We can all agree that a tripod is one of the most powerful tools for any filmmaker. It's your adventure buddy on your quest for that perfect shot. But not just any tripod will do. It needs to be versatile, sturdy, and easy to use in any environment and situation you find yourself in. This is where our main protagonist comes into the story. The Sirui Rapid Tripod System. Constructed from a blend of tough aluminum and lightweight carbon fiber, this tripod is designed to conquer any terrain or weather. Dense forests, rugged rocks, unpredictable rivers, seaside, rain, you name it, and the removable horseshoe mount helps you adapt to any surface, therefore achieving stable shots from places most filmmakers wouldn't be able to capture. The SVT-75 tripod is designed with simplicity and speed in mind by utilizing a one-step flip-lock releasing tripod legs that lets you set up and change height of the tripod effortlessly. With a maximum height of 1,530 millimeters and a minimum of 210 millimeters, it gives you the versatility to capture low-angle shots and avoid obstacles to reach your subject. To achieve maximum stability, the center spreader helps you stabilize the entire system and can easily be removed for low-angle shooting. All of this combined with a maximum payload of 25 kilograms makes this tripod a reliable workhorse that is designed to adapt to any situation. The Sirui Rapid Tripod System also offers SVH-15, a drag control video fluid head that will help you achieve silky smooth and precise panning, tilting, and rolling shots. The SVH-15 offers a side-loading quick-release plate for fast and easy camera mounting paired with a 15-kilogram payload capacity. By utilizing the built-in 7+0 counterbalance step system that ranges between 4 to 15 kilograms, as well as a 75mm half bowl that can be adjusted with a simple handle twist, you'll be able to adjust and properly balance any camera rig. For more complicated camera moves, you also have the opportunity to use two handles at the same time. The SVT-75 and the SVH-15 combined deliver solid performance with smooth and precise control over your shots and any camera movement. Both simple and complicated. The Sirui Rapid Tripod System is a tool that will help you capture the world from unique angles and guide you to places most filmmakers wouldn't be able to get to.
Hey, I'm Lala. Today's my birthday. Alan sent me a gift. Wow, a liter box? Uh-oh, wrong place. Look, it's moving! So spacious! Woohoo! It's starting to work! Oh, it did better than Alan. No waste piling up. And no smell. Awesome! Alan, where did you get this?
Well, I designed it for you. Manual refill. Set rolling. Not auto-resistant. No.
He did it! Wow! You know what? It's been a week. And my toilet still remains dry and clean. Alan can focus on his own things without worrying about me. And deodorize and sterilize. No smell. Whoa! Lemmy's approaching and it stops. Though Lemmy's light, he's detected. Bro, Alan can check our health condition. Uh-oh, quite a bit of poop. Tilt, push, and lift, easy! Thanks, Alan. I love it.